Looking for Japan's newest next level attraction? Welcome to Wonderia Yokohama. This massive indoor immersive park just opened in 2026 and it's completely redefines digital art. Hi everyone! Today we are going to a cool new place in Yokohama called Wonderia Yokohama. Right now we are on the train going to Kannai station. We just got off the train at JR Kannai station. It takes only 1 minute to walk to the base gate building. We are now on the 3rd floor, at the entrance. Welcome to Zone 1. Here you can see 4 seasons on the big screen. You can watch green plants change into colorful fall leaves and then soft white snow. It feels so quiet and relaxing. Wow, look at this! This is Zone 2, the deep sea tunnel. It feels like we're swimming under the ocean. You can see thousands of small fish and glowing jellyfish. Zone 3 lets you unwind in a massive primeval forest. I love this cushioned sofas. It's so relaxing to just lie back and track the movement of hidden creatures mimicking the forest environment. Zone 4 is where things get super interactive. It's a mysterious cave that blends darkness with brilliant light. Zone 5 flies shoe high from a digital lake straight into the open sky. The floor is made of mirrors, creating an infinite, dreamy view. Finally, Zone 6 wraps up the journey with a fantasy-style reimagining of Yokohama's actual cityscape. It's the perfect grand finale. Seeing local landmarks blended with digital magic is mind-bending. Oh wait, make sure you don't just watch. You need to download the official Wonderia Smart app before entering.
Right, you can scan the hidden digital creature on the walls to complete scavenger hunt missions, collect cards, and even unlock discount for the on-site cafe.
Before heading home, you definitely have to check out the Wonderia shop at the 3rd floor. They have original plushies, stationery, and sweets based on the creatures we just found. Just remember, the whole venue's completely cashless, so bring your cards or smartphone payments. What should I get for souvenirs?
Let's see.
Alright, I decided on this.
Show me.
Got the Yokohama Vanilla Financiers. Zuto handkerchief. And an Expo 2027 towel.
Perfect choices.
Look what we got at Wonderia Cafe. Summer pineapple cream soda and French toast. If you're planning your next trip to the Yokohama area, make sure to add this indoor sanctuary to your list. Please subscribe for more hidden travel destination.